Here's a show garden designed by Vian Felstead that will appeal to the whole family by incorporating a modern entertainment area with separate rooms. You're welcomed into this garden by seating and a gorgeous focal water feature. Thinking that this garden would be in a townhouse, one immediately gets the idea that the water feature is there to drown out the noise of neighbors or cars passing by, which always is a great trick. It not only looks good, but it works on different levels. And of course, water is just so tranquil. The garden is softened with the use of low-maintenance meadow planting of ornamental grasses and flowering perennials. And this is one style of gardening that everyone can have fun with. There's play on textures, there's play on movement. You've got different colors working with each other, and it really allows your imagination to pick any two plants, any grasses, something with a change in texture that will work together. Always remembering that the final goal is to keep your heights quite similar. The use of natural elements such as the wooden log wall is gorgeous, and the slate and pebbles bring a natural rustic feel to the design, and these contrast with the modern structured seating area. It's just sublime. A small pathway leads to an intimate seating area that's screened with plants, and most importantly, beautiful trees are used, spaced nice and equally apart, which helps to hide the walls and also gives a little bit of shade.